Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yay! Today I have another hair and makeup for you all. You all know I love my hair and makeup, so today I'm gonna be doing makeup and hair tutorial for you all. So the hair that I'll be using for today's videos is from wavy.com. Look, came in this packaging, very cute packaging. Look at that. So let me show you the hair. So this is the hair and it's Peruvian natural wave, very pretty. Look at that. So I've got this left over because they actually sent me 4 but I used 3. The frontal is 20 each actually, but the hair I've got 26, 24 and the 20 or some 18s. I just kind of mix them together. So I'm going to show you all the hair in a minute, okay, with the model wearing the hair. Hey, when I saw the hair, I love the coil pattern. Like the coils are really pretty, the waves are really pretty because you know it's just a natural wave, so it's something that everyone will love, and I know you're gonna love this hair. So far so good. The hair looks nice, the hair feels nice, and I love it, and I hope it's gonna look good on my model. A link to HeyDearWeaveBeautyHair.com is gonna be in the description box, as well as link to this hair. So guys, I hope you will enjoy this video, and here is my model. Hello everybody. Yeah. So let's get started. The time, powder, flaky wig, boom, ta-da!
And Mr. Ibu, I love Mr. Ibu.
So you like more comedy then? I don't like comedy though.
I
Brow queen, look at that brow. Oh, and concealer. I like this early mascara, but I think you're shady. Okay, let's see you. Ooh, my girl is popping. You are. She don't need makeup to pop. She's already popping without the makeup.
what's that primer?
Natural Radiance.
Oh.
Natural Radiance base. So it gives it that glow, because I'm even doing like a prolonged wear foundation. It's matte.
Okay.
So
You just touching my face and rubbing my face is just so relaxed.
oh, thank you, babe.
Because I haven't had it in such a long time.
Oh, thanks, babe. NW45 with NC45 mixed together. So I'm gonna blend. Let me use this brush for today.
What's that, the buffer brush?
Yeah, I know I always use beauty blender.
Yeah.
So let me use this today.
And I have like a stippling brush from Real Techniques.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I use to blend out my foundation.
Early mascara, you are. Early mascara. Yes, sexy way. Yeah, yeah. For my favorite powder, banana powder, you are. So if you look up, yeah, set it. Do you contour
Yep.
or not light?
Yep. Only when I'm going out though. Yeah. So I'm gonna hear burr, 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 burr.
I'm gonna set the other side. NW45. To the other side again. Right there.
You made sure you stopped up.
Yeah, girl, you gotta do what you have to do.
Yeah, that's why when I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna do my sister's face. But like, Shamala, come sit down.
Oh my God, they are in trouble.
Come sit down.
So now I'm gonna do the brows. As always, no talking, no laughing, no smiling. Just yeah. Just looks yeah. So down now. Yes, close your eyes. Do the brows. So yeah. Brows time. I don't play. Let's love. See. Oh my God. Look at them brows. Wow. Yeah.
Blush.
Yeah, really.
For transition.
Especially when I want to do pinkish looking things. See, all this is foundation. Let's see. Yeah, it's not too dramatic at the end. So now, let's line the eyes. This is Give Me Some. See, it's not that dark. So Give Me Some. Up. Yeah, girl. Yeah.
Yes.
Time to contour. Going back with this brush, fluffy and good brush. Fluffy and good brush. I'm going back to my NW45 that I used earlier. Gonna go back. Gonna do like so. Girl, you look airbrushed. Airbrushed. This is mine. Okay. NYS, let's see how it's gonna look. Some liners. Line your lip. Plum. Because plum looks more like pink. Okay, so you show off your face again. Yeah, nice. Give it to them.
Yes.
Give it to them, girl. So let's spray. Not too classy. I'm not gonna have ripple. Oh,
Glowy.
popping. Let's pop the face. Nice. Oh. Oh. Let's really here. Ooh. Yes, girl. Let's see. Look at that hair.
Oh my god, this is not me.
Look, ladies. Look at my girl. She's slayed.
Oh my god, this is not me.
Woo.
Oh my god.
So I'm gonna just blend that a little bit. Okay. Yes. Look at that name there. Yeah.
I love this wig. I don't like long hair, but I love this wig. You just made me love it.
Oh, thank you. The hair is bomb.
The hair is...
This hair is bomb. You are bomb.com. Feel my girl. Feel my girl now.
The highlights.
She's popping. She's late.
Beat by beautician shake.
Yeah, girl. Wow. How can one person be this pretty? Just one person. Just one person. How can that be possible? Eh? This is not allowed.
Oh my god.
This is not allowed.
I never thought I'd ever look like this, you know.
No way, girl. Bye. What do you
This is
mean?
my first time ever doing this type of hair, like wig. I've never done this type
You're
of
so
wig.
pretty. What do you mean? That I never thought. Girl, bye. So you all, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and link to hjwithbeautyhair.com will be in the description box. Okay. Bye guys. Bye.